Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Glisten from Dandy's work. So first let's get started towards the top of our page with the hair. And we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. Moving to the left of that now, we're going to continue to bring this line down and then in towards the bottom. And then now from here, starting back on this line on the left-hand side, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then up on the right. Let's close off the rest of the head now by drawing in a nice big circle. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then moving over on the right from this corner, again, we're going to just curve this line around and then back in on the bottom. For the eyes now, we're going to start in the middle, bringing this line over towards the right. And then we're going to leave a small gap coming over on the left and bringing this line further over and out towards the side. Stepping underneath our right eye now, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this line around and then up on the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, stepping back in and then curving this line back around and then all the way over and up on the side as well. Moving further over to the right now, we're going to draw in another half circle. And then moving into the corner, we're going to draw in a circle. Now let's draw in the mouth. So coming over on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving over towards the middle, we're just going to curve this line over towards the left. For the cheek on the top, we're going to curve this line down. And then moving underneath again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Now on the left, we're going to arch this line over and then up. And then again from the top, we're just going to arch this line across. Let's close off the rest of the head now. So coming over on the top, we're going to continue to bring this circle around, curving this line down. And then we'll do the same thing as we come over on the right, arching this line around and then in towards the bottom. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to start back on this line, curving this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, arching this line around and then back in on the bottom. Now for the torso on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then over on the right, again, we'll replicate that, arching this line around and then back in towards the middle. On the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then moving down below, let's replicate that again. Now for the arms, we're going to step on the inside here, curving this line out and then in. And then we'll line this up at the same height, moving over on the left-hand side and replicate that. Moving across for the hand, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches down on both sides. Up above this now, we're going to curve this line out and then in towards the chin. And then now to close off the hands, stepping down, we're going to arch this line around and then up. Now let's draw the legs. So on the inside, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out on both sides, ending those at roughly the same height. And then we'll step out to the other side again, replicating that, ending that so it's at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line out, in, back out, and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Stepping over towards the outside now, we're going to replicate that, curving that out, in, and then back out and down. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side as well. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the top with an arch line from left to right. On the inside, on the bottom now, let's curve this line around and then in on the top. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now from here, let's draw in the butterfly wing. So coming over on the right, down on the middle of the head, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle of the body. And then we'll line this up at the same height on the left-hand side and replicate that. Moving in towards that corner now, we're going to again arch this line back, around, and then up towards our leg. And then we'll replicate that on the opposite side. And that is it. That's how you draw Glisten from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.